Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to What Shifted Now, day 1549, documenting the business journey and that transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business, and back and forth since 2020. 2020 changed everything, for not everything, but a lot of things for billions of people, and I am no different. We all made I don't like the word pivot, but we all changed, right? We all had to change because outside forces impact us and required that we become something different. We either leveled up and figured out things in different ways than we ever had before, or we just waited it out and stayed the same and became in this holding pattern. And then there were, of course, people in all stages of frozen to massive change, right? Making massive changes. So today, for Supersize Your Business, our idiom, our expression was a Mecca for someone or something. And so we talked about what that means, where it came from, and how do we know if our business is a Mecca for something. Especially, we want to be the cult, the Mecca, the congregating place, the hub, the safe harbor, the safe haven for our ideal customers, right? And we know if they're coming to us, if we're attracting them through the things that we do, either word of mouth, reputation, branding, marketing, whatever, if we're attracting them to us and they're coming to us for specific products and services, we are a Mecca, a Mecca for our customers. So we talked about that. We're going to do a few more days of spiritual idioms for the month of April with respect to the Supersize Your Business group, tying that to the BU 365-day challenge. Never really done that before, tied the two together, but this year I thought I'm going to do that to make life simpler and more fun and more streamlined and more concentrated for me as well. It's easier if I'm doing subjects that are all consistent versus having, I was doing random idioms related to business and just picking them and then selecting them and saying, okay, well, what does this have to do with business? Trying to get a different perspective for myself and for other people on how does this impact our business, and does it? Now, a Mecca for something, that expression has been around, and Mecca's been around for hundreds or thousands of years. And so how do we deal with that, knowing that idea of a Mecca impacts billions of people? How can we use that in our favor? So our annual challenge today was about Ascension, and I already turned my page to the next page, so I'm not going to look it up, but we talked about 7 things that you can do if you choose to ascend. And what's the difference between spiritual growth and ascension? It's simply our intent. We have a conscious intent to choose to be a better version of ourselves, to choose to up level our beliefs, our thoughts, our behaviors, our energy, our vibration, our actual being. When we consciously choose that, that's called ascension. That's the difference I learned yesterday. So I consciously am choosing, especially this year, but pretty much for my whole life, to always be better, getting better and better and better, and being a better version of myself. That's what this whole challenge is about. Every day we just do a teeny tiny thing, single daily action, to make us a little bit better. We're not making massive leaps and bounds and massive dramatic changes. We're doing something every day. And the cumulative effect of that, it's almost hard to imagine how much we can change in a year when we focus on one thing. So that's the whole purpose of the annual challenge. So those are 2 main things I'm working on today. I've got some trainings and a bunch of calls and meetings today. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, go out, make it an awesome day. Hopefully by tomorrow, my new ring light will appear and my videos won't be so wonky, but there's no guarantee. Have a great day. If I can help you, like I say, ask, Vox or me. 5 minutes or less, I guarantee, no matter what you're stuck on, what your challenge is, we can get you moving and not stuck. One of my least favorite things ever has been to feel like I am stuck and spinning my wheels and I don't know what to do. And so I want to help and be a resource for people that ever feel that way, so that, if you got nobody to call, you can call me and you can ask, and I guarantee 5 minutes or less, we can figure it out for you. All right, have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow. Bye.